Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.8 trillion. We're down 1.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.1%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see in the last 24 hours, we are starting to see a continuous day in red when we are looking at it from that point of view. But one positive outcome that we could take as of recording this video is that in the last 1 hour, we are starting to see some green once again within the markets, which we will definitely take. But, overall, the broader picture, nothing to get super excited about just now. But now, let's get right into the project we love, none other than XRP. All right, my XRP family, if we are looking at the price of XRP right now, we are currently trading at 72.9 cents, down 0.1% in the last 24 hours. In USD comparative, we're also up 0.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. XRP's current ranking in the cryptocurrency market ranks is at the top 6 spot. Quite impressive. Market cap right now is $34.9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $3.6 billion. Very, very impressive. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, XRP is still up 64.6%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices for XRP. Before we jump into the charts to see where the XRP price is going in the immediate short term, what's going on, I want to share a very, very bullish article with the XRP community. So you want to watch this video till the absolute end. So let's get right into it. All right, guys. So the former director of the Securities and Exchange Commission believes that regulator have good chance of losing his $1.3 billion lawsuit against Ripple by Nature. The lawsuit alleges that the company and its partner, Brad Garlinghouse and Kristen Larson, did not notify the SEC on their sale of XRP in early 2013 and that the tokens were unregistered securities. The SEC is trying to prove that the result was a securities fraud. Hall, a former executive director of a policy at the SEC, appeared on the Thinking Crypto podcast with the host Tony Edwards on Feb 22nd, saying, "I'm not entirely sure what the SEC is planning on proving in the XRP litigation." And the implications for the SEC and the crypto industry in general are enormous. As Hall said, the SEC managed a lot of the case, and their entirely regulatory project could be closed if they lose the case. And I continue to think that there is a pretty good chance that the SEC will lose on the metrics. Hall also believes that the Ripple has a strong defensive base, which the SEC has failed to provide honest information about the investigation. And he says, let's highlight this so it's better to read. I'm very sympathetic, to that argument. It's a basic due process argument. The Ripple network was operating for years before the last minute filing of a lawsuit against them. So very, very interesting things coming out. We are starting to see a lot of people speak about this lawsuit, really says where this lawsuit really stands. And I have been talking about this lawsuit with you guys for quite some time. I have said, whatever we have heard within this lawsuit come out, we are seeing more and more things, being in favor of Ripple rather than SEC. And a lot of people are getting excited. There's a lot of interest once again building within the XRP community. And a lot of people are anticipating that, the lawsuit can come to a conclusion very, very soon and get settled. And if that were to happen, guys, we could see a major blast off within the price of the XRP community over the next coming months or so. It just depends on when this case is going to come to an end. And one thing XRP is doing right now is very, very interesting that I have not seen not a single person talk about. As you guys can see, we did cover the price of Bitcoin yesterday. Bitcoin was trading at around $39,000, and we did see the price of Bitcoin pull down about 3 to 4%. But if we are bringing out the price of XRP, you can see XRP barely budged. This really goes to show the momentum that is on the price of XRP's side right now, and I am anticipating a major breakout for the price of XRP, even if we go in a downwards market. Even if Bitcoin decides to pull down, obviously XRP is going to be impacted if that were to happen. But I do see XRP have a rebound very, very fast compared to other altcoins, considering what has been going on. As I have mentioned, we have not seen an all-time high since 2018 for the price of XRP. And don't underestimate the eyes that are on this project. There is quite some eyes. There's big players that are eyeing XRP. And if this news were to come to an end, we could possibly see the price of XRP hit all-time highs, and this should literally speak a lot of volume to you right now. We have not seen the price of XRP get that much impacted from the price of Bitcoin and the Bitcoin's volatility over the past 2 to 3 weeks, and that really goes to show maybe there is some sort of news that we don't know and insiders know. And the price of XRP has been holding quite strongly. So very interesting things really are coming ahead in the next weeks or so. And right now, guys, like I said, I still want the price of XRP to break out of this level of resistance at the 85.1 cents mark. And if we manage to break out of the 78.6 zone, guys, this is a major level of resistance right here at that $1.02 mark. If it breaks out of here, guys, things could really start heating up very, very fast. So that's something we should not be ignoring right now. This lawsuit has really caused the price of XRP to lag behind all the altcoins. We have not seen it outperform majority of the altcoins over the past 1.5 years. Obviously, because of that, there's a lot of uncertainty. A lot of people do get scared when investing in projects, especially when they are going through such a big lawsuit. But if this lawsuit were to come to an end, there is a lot of good things planned for the price of XRP. It will get relisted on obviously Coinbase. We will see a lot of FOMO kick in all of a sudden. People don't want to miss out. It's just FOMO. And also on top of that, we had seen Brad Gerlinghouse come out last year and say, once this lawsuit were to come to an end, once it were to conclude, we are going to go public as a company. And once Ripple as a company goes public, guys, that is going to bring massive, massive hype within the price of XRP. So there's a lot of positive things lined up. And as you guys may know, I've already talked about this for quite some time. XRP, I really do love this project a lot. It was one of the projects I very early invested in back in 2016 when, I was new to the markets. And, I have, a very special place in my heart for Ripple as as a company and XRP as a coin. So I do want it to succeed, and the community is very, very, very strong. So it has everything lined up for itself to succeed. Right now, one thing it's stopping from it really to pick up the traction is the lawsuit. But like I said in my yesterday's video, even if the lawsuit were not to come to a conclusion, we could still see a major pop-off occur for the price of XRP if Bitcoin takes a rebound towards the upside once again. Right now, Bitcoin is on the shaky end of the spectrum. We are going to retest, I think, this level of support at that $36,478 mark. If we get rejected by the support level, if this support level is unable to hold, we could see more downwards trend occur for the price of Bitcoin, which I have been talking about for quite some time. The positive thing we need to be looking at right now is for Bitcoin would be once we break out of this level of resistance at the $46,266 mark. That's where I would even think to talk about if we have seen the bottom or not. Until then, guys, we're not out of the woods just yet. So please do not forget that when we are looking at the prices of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin were to get rejected, from this level of support, then we could see possibly the price of XRP react for the immediate short term back down to these price levels that we have seen, or possibly even below the 78.6. I know no one wants to hear this, guys, but you guys need to remember that Bitcoin is the king of the markets, and Bitcoin rules the entire cryptocurrency market, so we cannot forget that. But if we are looking at the BTC dominance, it has been increasing, should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. But overall, on a daily update for you guys, XRP has been holding quite significantly, quite strongly within the cryptocurrency markets compared to majority of the altcoins, and that's a very bullish indicator that should not be ignored. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and where could you see the price of XRP go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below, and let me know what your strategy is. Are you guys picking up more XRP? Are you guys just holding what you have? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And if I can ask you guys for one favor, that is if you can like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the absolute world for me. I love you all. I love each and every one of you guys. Your guys' support means the world to me. Thank you so much. Just the beginning for our channel. So keep supporting me, and I will keep on bringing these videos for you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been CryptoZX, and peace out.